In today's video, I am going to be styling some of Halara's best sellers to see if I can still achieve that elevated, polished, put together look that I always strive for. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ola. If you're not, hey girl, hey, how you doing? Welcome back. This is Ola Style Edit, where my goal is to always show up looking polished, elevated, and put together in my everyday life. So if this sounds like one of your fashion goals, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. As much as I want to get all dressed up, sometimes your athleisure wear just come in clutch, okay? And I still feel like you can definitely still achieve some polished, elevated, put together looks while wearing athleisure wear. So let's check out this brand and see what I can come up with. Halara is an athleisure wear brand that prides themselves on functionality and performance. They challenged me to style some of their newest pieces and see how I could incorporate it into my everyday routine. So instead of doing a traditional try on haul, I'm actually showing the ways that I would wear these pieces in my everyday life. I'm talking from school run to running errands to going for a quick coffee run, whatever it is I'm doing in my everyday life, which is regular folk things, okay? So before we start, I just want to say that although this video is sponsored by Halara, all of the opinions I'm going to share are my honest opinions and from my experience with the brand, okay? If you see anything in this video that you're interested in trying out, I will link some coupon codes down below, so you just look at the details down in the description box, okay? So for this first look, I'm trying out the Halara Flex high-waisted pockets baggy wide leg wash casual jeans, and I have it in the color carbon paint denim in a size extra large. These jeans, in my opinion, are perfect everyday jeans. You can wear them to run errands, to go grocery shopping. I want to say it is maybe one of the softest denims I've ever felt. It looks like denim, but it doesn't feel like denim. It is super stretchy. It has a full waist stretch. It's a pull-on kind of jeans, so you don't have any zippers or any buttons. I have never in my adult life ever traveled wearing jeans, but I would definitely travel wearing these if I wanted to wear a jeans, okay? I love the wash, I love the length, I love that it's not too long, so you can definitely wear this for like casual running errands with flats. It doesn't have any gap in the back. Like I said, I have it out in a size extra large. It fits perfectly. So for this look, I kept it casual. I paired it here with the stripe button down. And one thing that I love about this jeans that this shirt really highlights is that the derriere, the bottom, is looking nice and plump, okay? It's looking juicy. So the slit in the back of the shirt definitely highlights that. It's super soft, super comfortable. You can wear this all day. You can wear this anywhere. Like I said, I am not one to ever travel wearing jeans, but I could definitely see myself wearing this to travel for sure. So I was very hesitant about this next look because you guys already know how I feel about shorts. Shorts are not my favorite things to wear. I'm not a shorts kind of girl, okay? But I do have the particular silhouette and cut that works for me. One of the things I really love seeing on some of the items on the Halara website is that you have the option to choose it in a different length. For shorts, I went with a longer length, okay? So this is a 9-inch super high-waisted yoga shorts. And I have it in the color chocolate martini in a size extra large, okay? About an 8 to 9 inch is usually my comfort zone when it comes to shorts. But these shorts also come in several different lengths as well. So if you want to go shorter, you can. These are not just any old shorts. They're like a hybrid short. They have biker shorts underneath, and then you have the short over it. I've never seen that before. If you, I don't know if any brand offers that, but this is my very first time wearing like a double layered short, okay? And one thing when I'm feeling lazy on summer mornings, I always want to reach for bike shorts and oversized t-shirts. I love that it has pockets. I love the waistband, very stretchy. I love the color. Brown is my favorite color. It also comes in different colors on the website, so you can definitely pick up black if you want to. The fabric is very soft and very flowy, but because of the layer of bike shorts underneath or tights that are underneath it, it doesn't show any jiggling or any cellulite, which I absolutely love. Over here, I'm just pairing it with these button-down sleeveless padded shoulder shirt with a cute crossbody bag, a cute pair of slippers, and I'm out the door ready to live my best life, okay? Next up is another of Halara's Flex jeans, and this one has an asymmetric waistband. It is baggy cut, and it also has like a low waist, kind of like a Y2K feel. So for this jeans, I'm wearing it in a size XXL/1X because I really wanted to play into that baggy Y2K vibe. If you've seen any of my jean video, then you already know that I have been loving a baggy cut jeans lately, so this is just perfect for me. I usually really like jeans that have a little bit of stretch to them. These ones are stretch extravaganza, okay? So even if you're not somebody who likes to wear jeans, maybe because you find them restrictive, maybe because they cut into your stomach when you sit, or you know, you have a hard time breaking in jeans, and I would definitely recommend these type of their Flex jeans. Even though this is so stretchy, it also has a zipper and some buttons, and I'm just like, you don't even need to use the buttons and the zipper. You can just slide it right on your hips, which I did. Low rise, baggy cut, right up my alley. So for this look, I'm styling with this crop bandeau top for just a casual, everyday, running errands look. And you could definitely add this or skip it if you're sensitive about your arms. So I just threw on an oversized button-down shirt on top of this look. If you're one of those girlies like me who likes some stretch in her jeans, then you're going to love this because this is stretch extravaganza, okay? This next look is summer impersonified, okay? If you're looking for black trousers, like wide leg, casual summer trousers, this should be an option for you. The title is very descriptive. It is a high-waisted drawstring pocket, wide leg, casual linen fill pants. I love the length, first of all, because I can wear it with flats and I can wear it with heels if I want to, but I'm most likely going to wear this in a very casual way. I love the elastic drawstring waistband. I feel like once you have this trouser, you're good for summer trousers, especially if you have in multiple colors. One thing about Halara is that they have a lot of color options and they also have a wide range of sizing. You can wear these trousers like I'm wearing here to go out, to go shopping, to go run errands. If you're somebody who works from home and you just want to elevate your wardrobe at home, these trousers, perfect. Yes, they're soft enough that you can wear them at home. You can also take these trousers on vacation and wear them in the beach as a swimsuit cover up because it's so soft and flowy. So for this look, I'm keeping it very summer chic casual and pairing it with this V-neck linen long sleeve top. Perfect black and white combination. It's such a classic look. You can't go wrong with this look. Just throw on a cute pair of summer sandals and you're good to go. As we all know, a pair of black pants is going to go a very long way in your closet. And I feel like this one is very summer specific. It's just lightweight enough where it's very breathable for summer. So perfect for the really hot weather that we've been having lately. All right, so the next look is another linen fill pants. And this is the high-waisted wide leg flowy solid palazzo pant, and I have it in the color dark earthy brown in a size extra large. I love a palazzo. A palazzo is more fitted in the hip and then gradually flares out into like an A-line cut down to the ankles. And when you combine that cut with this Halara fabric, match made in heaven. Is the perfect. I need to go into the office, but I really didn't want to get up this morning, but I'm still going to try to look my best, to look polished, elevated, and put together. And it's a pull-up style, so there are no buttons, no zippers. It also has elastic in the back and also it has belt loops, so you can definitely wear this with a belt to dress it up a little bit more if you're going to wear this to the office. It also has true pockets. The fabric is like a linen fill fabric, very soft. For my girlies who have to commute to work or walk a long distance, these pants are perfect. You can wear them with sneakers, you can wear them with flats. So I paired this pants with one of Halara's cropped yoga tank tops. It is just a padded bralette top. I don't know how you girls with the big triple D's and H's and F's and J's, I don't know how you guys do it because I am only a double D and I occasionally suffer from back pain, okay? And when I go through those phases, I do not want to wear a bra. I can't, it's painful. It literally hurts to wear a bra, okay? And on days like that, a padded built-in bra tank top comes in clutch. This is exactly how I wore it for school run, just with an oversized stripe button-down shirt over it. Cute pair of slippers, cute handbag, and I was good to go. Very comfy, very cutesy, very everyday, but still giving me that polished, elevated, put together look that I always try for, as you already know. On to the next look. When you lose the amount of weight that I've lost, you have to give up a lot of your clothing, okay? A lot of your things don't fit. My workout wear definitely doesn't fit. So I've been thinking about getting new workout leggings anyway. So when Halara reached out to me, I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to try out their leggings. So for this next look, we have my very first pair of butt lifting leggings. And I have it in the color Night's Purple. Beautiful, beautiful shade of purple. I've never tried one of these before, but I don't think it's safe to wear outside. I'm gonna wear it when I'm home working on my Peloton, but if you're the girl who wants to live boldly, vivaciously, these are the leggings for you because there's magic going on in this leggings, okay? I have never seen my butt look so good. First of all, I picked this leggings up in a large, okay? That just tells you how stretchy it is. And the only reason I did that is because the website kept saying that the fabric is very stretchy. So I was so nervous that if I was to get my regular size, it would be an extra large, it would be too loose. But I probably should have gone up to an extra large just for modesty's sake because it fits perfectly, okay? If not for the modesty component, I would probably leave it as a large. That just tells you how stretchy it is. As you can see, I have very, very thick thighs. I love the butt shaping technology, even though I feel like it's a little bit much for outside. I'm very, very picky about my leggings because I have a lot of jiggling. If I'm going to be working out in these pieces, they need to be able to hold everything in. So number one, they have to be very high-waisted because there's nothing worse than trying to work out and you have to be dragging up your trouser like that. And no. They have to be very high-waisted. They have to provide a level of compression but comfort at the same time. And Halara does this so very well. It's very high-waisted. The band was not rolling down at all. When you're a big girl and you're working out, things jiggle. And when things jiggle, it makes it difficult for you to go through your workout without trying to readjust. Or sometimes it just makes things heavier, you know? Like when there's a lot of jiggling going on, I don't know about you, but when I work out, it's kind of like I have to have shapewear level compression. Everything has to be held tight so I can do all the jumps and all the lunges and all the things, you know, all the movements without feeling like everything is just like, because sometimes it can feel like you're doing the movement and your body's like not catching up with you. You know what I mean? You know, if you know, you know, okay? If you know what I'm talking about. So I have to have a level of compression when I'm working out, and these leggings, chef's kiss, they're perfect. They're perfect. Honestly, I think Halara is going to be my go-to for any sort of like workout leggings in the future. So this next legging is called their UltraSculpt So Cinched High-Waisted Tummy Control Pocket Shaping Training Leggings. It is definitely so cinched, okay? They did not lie. It is cinched to the gods. The tummy control on these leggings, perfection. They're stretchy, they have pockets, they're high-waisted. They're the perfect length. They're the perfect compression for me. They're the perfect high-waistedness for me. These are leggings I see myself wearing to the gym, wearing around the house, wearing to run errands, to school run. Whenever a look calls for a pair of like workout style leggings, these are leggings I'm gonna reach for. I love them so much, I'm gonna get them in different colors. They provide excellent tummy control. Like I said, when I work out, because I have an apron tummy, my leggings needs to hold me in. It has to hold everything together. So if I'm doing jumping jacks, I do not want to be flapping when I'm doing jumping jacks. I'm sorry. You need leggings with compression, okay? And these leggings are perfect. And because I know a lot of people live in leggings, I wanted to give you a way to style them to kind of still make them look elevated and polished, but still give you that casual comfort of leggings, of course. And then I just threw on an oversized tri-button down. Clothing items like this oversized shirt is just going to elevate your leggings. If you're somebody who wants to wear leggings every day, but still look polished, elevated, and put together, this is a way that I would definitely wear it. So I styled those leggings with one of Halara's Backless crossover tank top. Now, let me just say that this is not usually like me, okay? I am not a show my back kind of girl because my love handles have handles, okay? I don't have a cute back. I don't have a cute roll. You know, some girls have the cute, you have the cute rolls. No, I have love handles. So I'm not the girl to show her back. I respect myself, okay? I know my limitations, I know my strengths. So imagine my surprise when this crop top came and I was like, oh, I love this. You know, when it's summer, it's really hot. You know, sometimes you just need a braless back open moment. Sometimes I wish I could just give a braless back open moment, but unfortunately my body is not built like that. But with this crop top here, you know what I should have worn? I should have worn this crop top, one of the wide leg trousers. Oh yes, I'm gonna wear that tomorrow. Let it be hot. Please let it be hot, because that would be me. The back is going to be out because the crossovers are strategically placed, so they really just cover my handles perfectly. It has removable padded bras inside, so perfect. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna get it in different colors as well. All right, so for this last look, I have this tennis dress. Halara calls this a plush backless active dress in the Easy Peasy edition, and I also have it in a longer length again. Like I said, Halara, for certain pieces, you have the option of choosing your length. If you're sensitive about your thighs, or you just want for modesty's sake to have a little bit of a longer length, and you're just frustrated with the really short tennis dresses that are out there right now, Halara has longer options. I love the crisscross detail on the back. I love the length. I love the fabric. Also comes in different colors as well as everything. Everything comes in multitude of colors in Halara. Also, like I said, comes in multitude of sizing as well. This dress, of course, also has some built-in shorts underneath. Very short shorts, but they're there. It also has a removable bra pattern, of course, as well. And I just love the fact that I could get a longer length because not everybody wants to wear 2-inch dresses, okay? Sometimes we got a lot going on and we just need a little bit longer length, you know? So I'm so glad that Halara offered that option as well. So for this look, I just kept it simple with a pair of slippers, a baseball hat, and a nice handbag. This is one of those outfits that you just kind of look like you have a lot going on. You look like you have a workout routine. You look like you have a skincare routine. You look like you have an esthetician. Everybody has it, but at the same time, it's just one of those clock it. She's that girl look. Overall, to be honest, I am genuinely very impressed with everything that I received. But let me know what you think. Did you have any favorites? Have you tried Halara? If you have, tell me what's been your experience so far. I want to hear what your thoughts are on the brand, or if you have any pieces from them. And if you're interested in checking out any of the pieces that I featured in today's video, everything will be linked in the description box below. And also don't forget to use my code to get some money off of your order, okay? And I just want to say thank you to Halara for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited that I got to try out this brand. I love the comfort and the function of their fabrics, and I would definitely be a return customer. And if you made it to the end of this video, as always, thank you so much for hanging out. Please don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know which of these looks was your favorite. And also, if you haven't, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.